So this is HD wide angle night vision body cam. So it's great for paranormal investigation, private investigation, or even light ecology for documenting evidence of nocturnal wildlife. So the device has got an internal rechargeable battery that can be topped up by a standard micro USB lead, which is supplied, and it's got a bright 1.3 LCD screen. So I'll just show you some of the basic features. It can record audio, still images, 20 megapixel, and as suggested earlier, full HD movies. So there's several features. So it's got a flip lens, so you can either have it facing forward or backwards. It can be set up on a tripod or clipped to a belt or shirt pocket. To power the device on is quite simple. You just slide this button down and then you'll see the device is on. To power on the device is quite simple. You just slide down the power button and hold it, and then the device turns on. So on the side you'll see this button marked M. If we hold that in standby mode or long press, then we'll get to a menu screen. So in the menu screen, it's quite easy to navigate. You've got an OK button and an up and down. So if we just go through the menu here, so you'll see you get a choice of high definition, so that's 1080p or 720p, still photo resolution. You've got right down from 2 megapixel through to VGA and up to 40 megapixels. We'll just set it to 21 for now. You can set the time and date. You can have a motion detection on the camera and video, and you can have a loop record. That'll just keep recording back over the top if you want to leave it set up for a while. The image rotation, basically the image rotation has to be selected when the camera is pointing in the opposite direction. So if you flip the lens over, you just go into the setting and you turn that on, and when the lens is flipped over, it'll correct the image. Exposure, I've set that to +2/3. That makes it obviously ideal in darkness. It'll make your images brighter and it'll extend the range of the infrared. But you can actually put that up to +2. So I'll just leave that at 2/3. Press OK. You can format the card. So the micro SD card just fits on the side there, and the charging port is at the bottom. So going down to the next menu, we've got language, so you can select different languages. You can get the device to auto power off, likewise the LCD. Whilst the camera is recording, you can also press this bottom button on the left to turn the LCD off, so it's totally discreet. Likewise, these are 940 nanometer infrared LEDs, so again, they're totally invisible to the naked eye. And you can turn the LED indicator, that's just there, so it doesn't give away anything. You've got a version then and a default, so they're just standard settings if you want to look at the information of the camera. Okay, so to record, it's quite simple. We just slide this record button upwards, and then you'll see the device starts to record. So I can point that up and down whilst you're recording. If we press the up button, it'll toggle the infrared LEDs on and off. So I'll see if I can darken the room a little bit and just show you that again. So that's currently off. and that's with the night vision on. So that's off and on. So the footage can be played back on the camcorder itself, or you can take out the card and you can put it into your PC, or use your device where to view. So it's just simple to remove the card. It's a micro SD card, so you may need an adapter to use it in your laptop, but that's the best way of viewing because obviously it's got a lot.